All right, translate the following statement into an algebraic expression. Use x for your variable. The sum, oh no, sorry, the square of the sum of a number and 15. Huh. So the square of the sum of a number and 15. The square of the sum of a number and 15. What does square mean? You guys remember that?
To the power of?
Yeah, to what power?
The second power.
Yeah, to the power of 2. Good job. The square means like, x squared, huh? Yeah, and cube is x to the third. If they ever say the cube, that means third power. The square, that means second power, right? So the square, so they want second power of something, don't they? So the square, not just of x, but it's second power of whatever it's talking about. So yeah, right on. So second power of something. So we know we're going to put a 2 power on something, don't we? So the 2 power on what? The sum of a number and 15. So how about this? Oh, and we're supposed to use x for a variable. So x squared. And so what does sum mean?
When you add two numbers together?
Add them together, huh? That right there is wrong, but it's close. It's close to right. It's a very easy mistake to make, one I've seen many, many times over the years. What's wrong with that right there? That's so close. It's so close to right, but not quite right. Why not?
Because it's asking you to square the sum, so the whatever you get with adding the numbers, the two numbers, and you square that.
Good, right, exactly, good. So how do I write that? Where do I put the square then?
So it would be x plus 15, and then in parentheses, and then you square it.
Beautiful, exactly. Is everybody seeing that's true to the words? That's exactly right. Right, because it's squaring the sum. Exactly, good reading. It's squaring the sum, not just the number. If it said, let me just change it up to make it really clear. If it said the square of a number added to 15, then that would be the square of the number. That would just be the square on the x, and then add 15 afterwards. That would be that. So you got to pay attention to what it's saying is being squared. If it says squaring the number, then that is just a number. But ours said squaring the sum, right? So Martine's right on. We've got to put the square on the parentheses, so the whole sum is squared, not just the number. Exactly right. Good job.